Welcome to True Learn Anytime. Today we are going to discuss about geography, its definition, history and development in short. At first, we should know what is the subject geography. Geography is a discipline that studies about the earth or describes about the earth. In short, geography is description of the earth. It takes into account all the features of the earth, either it be natural or man-made. Various landforms of the earth such as hills, mountains, plateaus, plains, river valleys, etc. and water bodies like oceans, seas, lakes, ponds, etc. are studied. Human settlement, occupation, way and standard of living, economic and industrial activities, development, etc. are also studied. It studies the man-nature relationship and the areal differentiation that prevails in earth. Areal differentiation refers to the differences present among different places of the earth. Now we will discuss about a short outline of history and development of geography. We must know at first who coined the term geography. Eratosthenes, a Greek geographer, is the first person to coin the term geography in between 276 to 194 BC. As he is the first person to coin the term geography and laid foundation for the subject, therefore he is known as the father of geography. Now we will discuss about how the term geography is derived. The term geography is derived from two Greek words geo and graphos. Geo means earth and graphos means description. So together geo plus graphos means description of the earth or earth's description. A flowchart is shown here for better understanding. Please do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for regular updates. This channel can also be followed in Facebook, Instagram and Twitter by clicking in the links given below in the description box to get regular updates. Thank you.